everybody? Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So today's video is about something that I have witnessed in the community, and I'm kind of looking for your opinions, your outlooks, how you guys feel about it. And I guess it's mostly geared towards breeders. I'm not to say that somebody who is not a breeder cannot put their input here, because if it's something you've even thought about, or even if you were in the situation, you could probably put your 2 cents in. But so say I'm trying to do it without calling anybody out. I don't want drama. There's more than enough of that happening in the pet tube world these days. So I'm going to try to do this in a way that nobody is called out directly. It can't be easily figured out what this is about, so you guys can't just like go and figure it out and then start a whole bunch of extra drama, because it's really not even a really drama based situation. Okay, it's really not. I'm just trying to figure out how breeders or non breeders would feel if they were in this situation that I witnessed. Okay, so say you have a project that you've been working on, or you're thinking about working on, and you think it's just going to be great and you're super excited about it, and it's particularly a unique project, something that you have not really heard at all in this particular community circle that we're all in. It's definitely it's just very unique, and you haven't heard anybody else talking about it, and you just decide to share it with YouTube here world. And within days of you posting your own video about this project that you have, you see in a live chat that somebody else is suddenly thinking about or going to do this same project. And you know for a fact that this is not something that was ever mentioned or ever brought up or even whispered in any of it, in any of this community, until you decided to say that you were doing this. Does it make you feel like that person is trying to jump the gun on a project that you have just shared that you're planning to do? Like, does it make you feel a little rough? Does it irritate you a little bit? I'm starting to wonder. I know that a lot of people who breed will have projects that they are not sharing with people, and I've often wondered why that was, because it seemed like, as breeders, you would want to talk and share with these things, but I imagine, though, with very special, unique projects like so, this is a reason that people wouldn't, because there's going to be somebody within, some short period of time that's like, that's a good idea, that's a good money maker, or whatever, and then they jump the gun and they're like, well, I'm going to do this, and they might even be financially more set to get that project happening faster, or if you haven't already started it, for instance. And then it just seems like, right when you're gonna do it and it's all happening and it's all in the flow, somebody else is just like, oh, it's already happening, I'm doing it, I'm doing this, and it just kind of takes your shine away. I feel like it can take the specialness out of a project that somebody is super excited about when they've shared it with you, and then within days it seems like somebody else who never even mentioned this, who never even showed signs of even doing such a project, is suddenly going to be doing that project or is thinking about doing that project. And I'm just wondering, as breeders, does this rub you the wrong way when you see it? Have you ever experienced this? And if you are a breeder that does projects that are particularly unique and don't share it, is this the reason why you don't share those projects, or do you not share them for another reason? Like I said, I'm not trying to do drama here, because it's not a drama situation. In this instance, it's actually, it's reasonably not a big deal. It's not like a world's first or anything. But if it was, like, if you had planned to do this thing that could result in a world's first, do you choose not to share it because you feel like somebody else will hear that and then jump the gun on that project, and then just kind of take that whole shine and special moment away from you? Yes, I know, especially in like ball python breedings, there are so many endless possibilities out there that, yeah, you could just hop on and figure out another project, but it kind of just, does it just rub you wrong when you've already had this thing and now somebody else is likely to come in and take that shine away from you before you even had the moment to do it, and now when you do it, it's going to be kind of like you're following up in their footsteps and less like they're following in yours. Anyway, I just want to hear what you guys feel about that. Am I thinking way too deeply into this, or am I justified in feeling kind of irked by that situation that I witnessed, and or should I just be like, it's not a big deal, whatever. If it's not a world's first, who cares? It's just it rubs you wrong because it's like it may not be a world's first, but it was a special project that can make somebody happy, and then somebody else is just like, I'm going to do it, and anyway. So tell me what you feel about it. I really want to hear it. I really want to know your input. No drama. I hope that this is not, something that can be easily figured out to lead to drama or any such a thing. But I want to know how you feel about that particular situation. So yeah, it's not really meant to be a drama thing, really. I just want to know your opinions on it. I have talked to somebody else who did witness that same thing that I did and felt the same way, which is what inspired me to actually go ahead and just make this video, and I just want to see how everybody else feels about it. Like I said, this is not a no drama video. I don't want any drama. Like I said, there's more than enough of that happening in the pet tube world, and I don't want to be any part of that, nor do I want to create my own drama. So anyway, I hope you all are having a great day. I really want to know your input, so please put those in the comments. Whether you are a breeder or not, if you were in this situation, you were the person with the big project that you wanted to do. You shared it with people, and within days, somebody else decided that they were going to also suddenly do this project, making it seem like it was their project originally too. Not even just like, oh, I got this idea from you. Now I'm thinking I'm going to do it too. Like, no, they're just like, oh, this is what I'm going to work on. Like, it was their project originally, when before you had announced it, it had never even been mentioned. So, what do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments down below. Y'all take care. Love yourselves, love your reptiles, and y'all keep spreading those herbs.